Namaste everyone, how are you doing? I hope all of you are taking good care of yourselves, going out only if it is necessary, wearing masks, using sanitizer at all times. This is Shafali and today I have got you way more vitamin C facial serum for radiant and glowing skin. This has hyaluronic acid and grapeseed extracts. Before I begin this review, all those of you who are new to my channel, I request you to please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. It feels really rewarding when you support me and all the hard work seems to be totally worth it. So please go ahead. Thank you in advance for your subscriptions and I would love to see your comments also. So if you have been following me and have watched my previous videos, you must have noticed that I always try to bring up affordable products in front of you that are also good for your skin, your hair and your body. So this is, although a pretty uncommon name, but the reason really to pick this up was its astonishingly affordable price and some of its good reviews. The other and the most important reason to use it again was its remarkable results on my face. And yes, this is my second bottle and I have already placed an order for a couple of more bottles as I would be gifting it to my friends, and silly me has the habit of hoarding up things which I like, if you have been following me. So this little wonder in my hand does not have any parabens, silicones, mineral oil and is sulfates free. Does not have any petroleum, artificial preservatives and color. So this product claims to work on your dark circles and pigmentation. I can really not talk about dark circles because I do not have much, although I have little but not much. But I do have pigmentation problems. So whenever I go out in the sun, this area of mine becomes pigmented no matter how much sunscreen I put on my face. And of course I do have acne spots also. So this has definitely relieved all of that of mine. So this is truly a sun damage corrective for me. This also gives extra brightening to your face and repairs damaged skin cells, which I truly believe, because if your pigmented area and your acne spots are cleared, then of course it would give a brighten up look to your face and radiance. This is suitable for both men and women, let me tell you. So the seller claims that it also works on the fine lines of your face. I can tell you that there are some days in the month when I get severe acne on my face. Although my acne still persists after using this serum, but it has definitely relieved my acne scars and helped to elevate it. This has a lot of antioxidants, so it helps to combat your dark spots as well as gives even skin tone. Please make sure that you do a patch test before using any skincare product on your face. It did not cause any irritation to my skin, and I can say this is not a heavy duty serum and is suitable for all skin types. So those were its pros really, and let me tell you that none of my videos are sponsored. From the experience that I have had while using this product, I'm sharing my thoughts and putting it before you. Your notion might differ, might not, because every skin type is different. Coming to its cons, it does have a strong aroma, but not strong enough that it would affect your nostrils or your mood in any way. In addition to this, it does have an oily texture and is little runny. But the thing with serums is really that you need to massage them thoroughly for a couple of minutes. So you just take a little quantity to cover your entire face, let it absorb into your skin effectively, which it does, but after some time, not immediately. But I think it's pretty fine because I have a dry skin, and for somebody who has a dry skin, it is a boon. Other than this, I really did not have any complaints with this product. Poor little thing, yeah. What amazes me is its cost effectiveness. It's extremely affordable and of course does the job pretty well. Let me tell you, I use it twice in a day. It is pretty long lasting. A small bottle like this, 30 ml bottle, would go along with you for about 20 to 25 days minimum, and can go longer depending on your usage. This is absolutely in contrast with Lotus Organics serum, which finishes off really soon. So I still remember that I had 2 bottles with me and I finished them off in 20 days. It absorbs immediately, of course, but I did not find it suitable for extremely dry skin. So this is really a thumbs up from me. If you are a beginner trying on serums and looking to buy something within your budget, then this is it. Coming to the most important talk of the town, way more serum price. Crashing all the suspense, let me tell you, it's only 165 rupees. So the retail price is 450 bucks and I have found this on Amazon. I really don't know if it is available elsewhere. So I have tried to cover everything regarding this product in this video of mine, but should you have any questions, please feel free to put in your comments and I would love to attend to it. So this is all from me today. I try to keep my videos as crisp as possible. However, covering all the areas is also inevitable. Stay tuned because there is going to be a lot more reviews and fun on my channel. Please continue to shower your love and support on me and my favorite character below. I really hope that you liked watching this video. If that's so, please go ahead, give a thumbs up and share if you feel so. Please press the bell icon for notification for any new video on the blog. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, stay beautiful. Bye bye.